Welcome to everyone. In our previous class, we have discussed about the general form of first order first degree ODE and its classification and also the types of solutions of any first order first degree ODE. So today we are going to discuss about the first type of first order first degree ODE, that is exact equation. So as we know, the general form of first order first degree ODE can be expressed as dy dx equal to f of xy, or equivalently we can write m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m and n are functions of x and y. Now this equation is said to be an exact differential equation if this equation can be written as du equal to 0, where u is a function of xy. Okay, so any first order first degree ordinary differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m and n are function of x and y, is said to be an exact differential equation if this equation can be expressed as du equal to 0, where u is a function of xy. So for example, let us consider the equation x dy plus y dx equal to 0. Now this is our given ODE. Now this equation is said to be exact if we can express this as du equal to 0. So see, we can write it as d of xy equal to 0, x dy plus y dx equal to 0. So here u is xy, function of xy. So here this given equation 1 is exact. Now we are coming to a very important theorem. The theorem states that the first order first degree ODE, that is m dx plus n dy equal to 0, is exact if and only if del m del y equal to del n del x. So using this theorem, we can check the given ODE is exact or not. If the given ODE is exact, then this implies that del m del y equal to del n del x, and also sufficiently true. If del m del y equal to del n del x, then m dx plus n dy equal to 0, that is our given first order first degree ODE, is exact. So coming to a problem. Solve the ODE y square e to the power xy square plus 4x cube dx plus 2xy e to the power xy square minus 3y square dy equal to 0. So this is our given ODE. Now this answer. So this equation is of the form, we can see this is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m is this y square e to the power xy square plus 4x cube, and n is 2xy e to the power xy square minus 3y square. So to check that the given equation is exact or not, we have to find out the del m del y and del n del x. So del m del y will be 2y e to the power xy square, then plus this. Next, del n del x. So del n del x will be 2y e to the power xy square, then plus 2y cube, this, and x e to the power xy square. Okay, done. Here, as we can see that del m del y and del n del x are same. So, del m del y equal to del n del x, and hence the given equation is exact. So since the given ODE is exact, now we are to solve this ODE. Therefore, the general solution of this equation is integration m dx plus integration n dy equal to c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Now, very important that here integration m dx plus integration n dy, this integration, there is a restriction, that is this integration over neglecting the terms containing x. So integration m dx plus integration n dy over neglecting the term containing x, where c is an arbitrary constant. Now put the values of m. So here m is this and n is this, but for n we have to omit the terms containing x, so we have to omit this part, only write minus 3y square, and m is this whole. So see this, then integrating we get so this is the required general solution. General solution. Okay, done. So in this way we can check whether our given equation is exact or not, and then we are to find out the general solution in this way. So no more today. In the next class we shall discuss more important topics. Keep watching. Thank you.